So if you want to enjoy all the features of your Beats Solo 4 on your Android device, you have to install the Beats application on your Android device. Now in this video, I'll show you how to install it and how you can set up your headphones using that particular application. Now first things first, go to the Google Play Store on your Android device. So launch Google Play Store. So here it is, select it. And then when you're in the Play Store, all you have to do is tap on the search bar or search icon at the bottom right corner. And then tap on the search bar at the top and type Beats. There you go, and then search for it. Now from the search results, this is the application that we're looking for, Beats by Apple, So select it, and then you can see a brief description about what this app is all about. You can scroll through and also check for the reviews and see how the reviews are for this particular app. Once you're done, simply tap on install and then allow your Android device to install that particular application. Now once the application is installed, you can simply launch it directly from the Play Store, or you can go back to the home screen on your Android device and find the Beats application. So once you find it, tap on it to launch it, and then you have to agree to the Apple privacy policy. You can read through all this and select agree at the bottom right corner. And then also you have to read through this software license agreement. So you can scroll through and read through all this. And once you're done reading, simply tap on agree at the bottom right corner. Now at this point, you might be prompted to allow Beats products to send you daily analytics data. So you can choose to select don't send, or you can choose to select send, whichever you choose. Simply select it. So I'll just select don't send. And also you might be prompted to allow certain permissions. So for my Android device, the location permission is needed. So you can simply allow permissions. So allow the location for this particular app. So tap on location, and then on the app details, select app permissions, and then find the location and select it, and then choose whichever options that you prefer, either between allow all the time or allow only while using the application. So I'll select allow all the time and then go back. And then also you'll be prompted to allow notifications. So you can either choose to skip or you can allow the notifications. So let me just allow them. So I'll tap on notifications and then simply select allow. Also, you'll be prompted to allow the Bluetooth permissions. So select Bluetooth and then simply tap on allow, and that will allow all the permissions that are currently needed for the application to run successfully on your Android device. Now once you've done setting up all the permissions, tap on connect and then choose the Beats that you're currently using. So for us, we're using the Beats Solo 4. So scroll through all the product list and find the Beats Solo 4. So here it is, select it, and then you should see a brief instruction on how you can pair it with your Android device. So you have to power it on, and then you have to hold the button to put it in pairing mode, and then tap on connect. So let's just do that. So let me just power them off first, and then let me power them on. And then once they're on, you have to place them into pairing mode by pressing and holding the power button for about 5 seconds, and you should see this light blinking rapidly. So let me just put them into pairing mode. So once they're in pairing mode, you can search for the Beats on your device. You can search for the Beats on your device and they should automatically connect to your Android device. So once they're in pairing mode, you should receive this notification, Beats Solo 4, if you want to connect with them. So Beats Solo 4 will appear on the device linked to that particular email address. So to connect them, simply tap on connect and then allow them to be connected to your device. And there you go. You'll see the option setup device. Your device is ready to be set up. So you can tap on setup or you can tap on done, and you can now see that your Beats have been successfully connected to your Android device. To confirm this, you can swipe down and then long press on the Bluetooth icon, and you can see that the Beats Solo 4 have been connected to your device. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.